everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chrissy's Point of View. I am Chrissy and I'm on the outside today, right? I'm on the outside today, and today we are starting a new series about money, people. We're starting about money. What do you know about money, right? Are you a slave to money? Are you like a slave to life? Now, I don't want to sound harsh at the end of the day, but when you work for other people and you have a salary and you're always unsatisfied, you're basically like a slave, right? You're like a slave to people. You constantly have to be working. People telling you when to go for lunch, when it is you could leave, when you have to come to work, that kind of thing. So you have to know if you fall into this category, right? Now, those who working and they love their job, right? You know, it have some people who actually love their job, who genuinely love their job. Yes, yes, you have a good career thing, but how long you really want to do that for? Is it for like survival? Is it for like if it is you want to just you're just working basically because you know you have a salary coming in, you get accustomed to this salary, your brain programmed to this salary coming in over and over, right? And you're just stuck in this box. You put yourself in this box because, hey, I have a good job, I have a good salary, but as sure it is you want to do certain things, you have certain things that it is you want to do, and you have not been able to accomplish it because it is you never have enough money to do it. Like buy real estate, rent out properties, have a food business, a pizzeria, some kind of thing, right? To enhance your life, to enhance your family life, to leave a legacy for your family. Am I getting to you? Comment down below. Comment down below. People. No, no, no. Don't lose interest yet. I'm telling you. Money, your relationship with money, you need to take a step back and understand at the end of the day, you have to make money work for you and not you work for money, because that is what most of us have been doing. You know, I I know that for a fact because I for years I hear on my aunts and uncles and everybody who I know. I getting paid this time, and yeah, they I getting pay, I getting pay, I getting pay. Payday is so and so date for those who work fortnightly or monthly. You're always zeroing on this pay date. You're zeroing on it. You're zeroing on it, and you're saying, you know, pay is this date. I can't wait. You're excited for that particular payday because you're programmed for that particular payday, right? So, what are you doing that you don't have to zero in and depend so much on this payday? Because I was reading listening more like listening to Rich Dad Poor Dad with Robert Kiyosaki. Those who don't know that book, go and read it. Robert Kiyosaki was talking about being a slave, like being a slave to life on it, on the whole, being like at the end of the day, you're always like it's like a dog world. You actually have to be running this rat race like forever. Some people have 2 jobs, some people have 3 jobs, some people have 4 jobs, and you're constantly running this rat race. And you're stressed. You have to, because you have to be working with these people that very hard to work with, right? They just, these people so hard to work with, they're difficult to work with, and they in this, you're in this cycle, you're stuck in this cycle, and you have to work with these people because it is, you don't think that you're competent enough to do better, or you're saying that you don't have the finance, you don't have the capital to do better, when it is you have to look deep within yourself, because all you need is within you now, you know. All you need is within you now at the end of the day. So you put yourself in this bubble, in this box, you box yourself out because in your mind you think you can't do better. So y'all, I need y'all to think better. and change your mindset. Get your mind out of jail, as it were. You know, your mind like in a jail, cell, because you grew up hearing money don't grow on trees, and how it is, I don't have any money and I can't afford it, and so forth. And me myself grew up like that. Like, for example, Christmas time, I was always taught, if it is you don't have, do without, right? And I mean, I am not dogging my parents. I like that concept, because you learn to be content, right? But won't you want to give your children things that it is you don't have? I always think like that. My parents gave me a lot what they did not have. They grew up in like real poverty, and they basically gave me a lot more. Bless them, bless them, bless them. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest for my parents and my godmother, because I was exposed to a lot compared to how they were exposed as children. And I thank God for that. And it's only because of money. Only because of money I get to travel. I get to travel at a very young age. I started traveling at a very young age. Certain things my parents paid for certain courses for me to do. So it's not only for like traveling, it's for education too. You could better yourself, invest in your education, invest in better in yourself moving forward. Because nobody wants to stay in the same position all their life. Let me be for real. I speaking for myself, we need to realize, hey, I getting older and I want to retire sweet. I want my retirement sweet. I don't want to be stuck in one place all the time. I need elevation. Everybody needs elevation. And I want you to realize that the sky is not the limit. People may say the sky is the limit, but I don't go by that. I go by the sky is not the limit, and you can do whatever you want to do, whatever you want to accomplish, you can do it. All you have is within you now. So, in closing, you all check your relationship with money, right? Check your relationship with money, because you'll be stuck in this box, right? And not moving forward, because it is you're thinking money is bad, money is what they call it? Money, Robert Kiyosaki was like, one dad will teach him, in Rich Dad Poor Dad, one dad will teach him money don't grow on trees, and I can't afford that, and the next dad will teach him, how can I afford that, right? So that is the mindset you have to have. How can I afford that? When, what do I have to do to afford this lifestyle, to afford this type of dream, to afford this type of house, this type of clothes, you know? Who like Louis Vuitton and Versace and all these things? Everybody likes nice things. People who keep saying they don't like nice things, you all are lying. You understand? You all need to stop lying to yourselves. Right? All the talk about content and content. If somebody give you a nice gift and constantly giving them nice gifts, you'll be more than content. But here's this. This is the trick. You need to be grateful now for what it is you have. Be extremely grateful now for what it is you have presently. You can't be like, oh gosh, I'll praise God, I'll thank God when it is I get it. You can't have that mentality. You have to have the mentality is like if it is you already receive it, like if it is you already get it, right? So I wanted to use that approach of thanksgiving. Everything that it is you have, give thanks. Everything that it is that you want in the future, believe and pretend that it is you already have it. Pretend that it is you don't have to work as hard for it, because in our head we've always think that it is we supposed to work hard and to achieve. Morning. And we need to change that mindset. So that is why I started and say your relationship with money is what it is will change your whole mind. He also went in to say about mindset, right? He spoke about mindset and how it is. As a boy, his mindset was what I was saying, like in a jail, right? In a jail, in the jail cell, and because of how he grew up and what he constantly heard over and over. So, changing that mindset, people, it only comes with education. So, number one thing, read books, right? Do your research. You want to start a business, read your books, right? Don't stay there and say you want to start a business, you wish, and you're not doing anything about it, because it will be only your fault. Your thoughts create your reality. Your thoughts create your reality. I want you to remember that and stop thinking like if it is you're not worth it, because you're worth it. We are kings and princesses, queens, princes, however it is you want it. We are royalty, and it's time we start treating ourselves as that. Abraham, I always say, Abraham's blessings are mine. I sing that. Abraham's blessings are mine. Abraham's blessings are mine. Abraham's blessings are mine. Abraham's blessings are mine. If you don't know who is Abraham, go in the Bible. Abraham was a very rich man. A very, very rich man, my people. Go and research in the Bible how many riches Abraham has, and his, what you call it, lineage, or his whole generation was promised these blessings, right? Promised these blessings. So go and research how it is he came about getting these blessings, and what it is he did to keep growing and growing and growing. Because if you observe, I don't want to give you a whole history lesson, but go and research, right? Robert Kiyosaki got his riches in one way, but then we have to go and take a history lesson quite back in the beginning, how people in ancient times received their blessings. So that is what I'm doing now. I'm researching in ancient times how people received the certain principles they practice that they were able to receive and sustain and constantly grow, right? So stop looking at, oh, money is the root of all evil, because money at the end of the day could give you choices, could help you, right? And as I was saying, Robert Kiyosaki, his father said money is the root of all evil, right? But money, his rich dad kept saying the lack of money is the root of all evil, because think of it. When it is people don't have money, there's one rob people, there's one to go and what they call it, sell they want to do all this one kind of antics, like sell the sperm, go and what it is, go by the blood bank and sell, like basically sell the blood, and you're doing things to hamper yourself. You're doing things to hamper yourself at the end of the day. So I just want you all to think of money, start looking at money as in it will answer a lot of problems. A lot of problems. Right? So I thank you very much for tuning into Chrissy's Point of View today. Today I wanted to look and just talk to you all in an easy environment. I'll probably do this tomorrow again, because the place is so breezy and it's hot where I am right now. I say, why not take advantage of it, right? So please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. If I have given you value, leave a comment down below. right? And I hope to see you next time. And because you stayed to the end of this vlog, I have left a gift underneath this video for you. Click that link. It's a self-development gift. It's a taking the first step, because you have to change your mindset first, right? We spoke about that, changing your mindset first things first, right? So see you next time on Chrissy's Point of View. Bye.